Okay, today for Writer's Workshop, we're going to be continuing our opinion writing, and we are going to be asking the question, which would you rather do on a snowy day? So find this page in your pink Writer's Workshop folder, and let's begin. All right, if you remember, the first thing with opinion writing is you ask a question. You have to think about it. The question is, which would you rather do on a snowy day? Now you have to decide, would you rather sled, ski, play hockey, or perhaps you'd prefer to do something else? Now you're going to explain which one you chose, okay? So pull out your writing paper or turn to the writing paper and let's begin. I'm going to write the date on here. Today is 12/11. Okay, so which would you rather do on a snowy day? I chose sledding. I drew a picture of me going down a hill on a sled with my stocking cap on, and now you can read my sentences or my reasons why with me. So the first thing I do is I restate the question and I give my opinion. On a snowy day, I would rather go sledding. Now I'm going to give my why. I like to sled because it is fun and easy. And then finally, I conclude with my opinion once again. Snow sledding is the most fun. Okay, so now it's your turn. You're going to pick out which thing you would prefer to do on a snowy day. Again, you can choose these options that are given, or you can pick something else. Draw a picture of yourself doing that, and then write 3 sentences using this format. Restate the question and give your opinion, give your reason why, and then conclude with your opinion. Happy writing!